So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up an RRSP or a retirement registered savings plan here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, now it could look a little bit different than yours if you haven't opened up an account already, but to get to the same screen, go to the bottom, press on accounts. Once you're here, right in the middle, it'll say deposit, adding accounts and all. Press on adding accounts just like this. Now once you're here, it'll say which account would you like to open. Scroll down to where it says registered retirement savings plan or an RRSP. Press on that, then go ahead to the bottom and press on next. Now once you're here, you can go down and check off the objectives, follow the instructions, do what you have to do. Follow the instructions right here. Then once you do all that, go to the bottom, press on next, and you can open up an RRSP this way through Moomoo. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to open up an RRSP on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.